So number 8 is find the area of this figure, and you need to know that it's a parallelogram. And if I look on my handy dandy chart, I know the area of a parallelogram is b times h. So area equals b times h, and h is always perpendicular, and the base is perpendicular to the height, so that is 10 times 4, which is 40 feet squared. Find the area. It is not a parallelogram, it is a trapezoid. And so if I looked on my chart, I would have A equals 1/2 B1 plus B2 times H. Here's my right angle. So my H is 4. My bases are 8 and 5. So I have 1/2 of 8 plus 5 times 4. I'm going to do 8 plus 1/2 of 13 times 4. 1/2 of 4 is 2. 2 times 13 is 26 meters squared. Find the area of this shaded region. I'm going to do the area of a square minus the area of a circle will give me the shaded region. Okay, so area of a square minus a circle. If I have a part going from side to center, I can pull it across and it'll be another 15. So this is a 30 by 30 square. So area of the square equals base times height, which is 30 times 30, which is 900. The area of the circle is pi r squared, which is pi 15 squared, which is 225 pi. And this would be 900 minus 225 pi. And I get my handy dandy calculator out. And I do 900 minus 225 times 3.14. And I get 193.5 inches squared. Now, my expectation is, see how much work I show for a problem? That's my expectation when you do it also, especially on the test. And especially on all your assignments, show all your work. So find the area of the composite. So I have area of a half circle plus the area of a rectangle. So my circle, if it's 28 from here to here, then that's 14. And so area equals pi r squared for the circle. Remember, divide by 2. I'm going to write it so I don't forget, because you know I have forgotten on a couple of problems. So it's pi 14 squared, which is 196 pi, divided by 2. That seems familiar. 196 divided by 2 is 98 pi. And then the area of my rectangle is base times height, which is 14 times 28. I have a formula. I have my substitution. I grab my calculator and I multiply in my calculator. And so I have area half circle, which I did, plus the area of that. So it's 98 pi plus 392. So I'm going to do 98 times 3.14 plus 392 is 699.72 centimeters squared.